Hello and welcome to Creative Juice Without Pulp. I recently, and by that I mean 2 minutes ago, saw a video by Will Paterson, a graphic design YouTube channel. So he talks about common logo design cliches that he sees, and I thought, what if I create a logo with every single cliche that he mentions? It's time to make the world's most cliche logo design. Alright, so I'm going to watch his video, and we're going to go step by step.
The first one, Helvetica.
Alright, so the first logo cliche, Helvetica. Helvetica. It's a good font. I understand why it's a cliche. I can't be mad at that. I do have it right, yeah, of course I do. Obviously. Who doesn't have Helvetica? We're done. Next one.
The second cliche is stop using abstract humans in your design.
Alright, so the second cliche is abstract humans. You know those like abstract human icons? Abstract human icon. These guys. By the way, I've definitely made logos with abstract human icons. Something like that. I guess by the end of this, I'll have to come up with a business that works for whatever this will be. Beautiful. Maybe there's a second one as well. That's pretty cliche. But it's still not cliche enough. They've all got gradients. Or at least, they all seem to have gradients. I think I'll pick the gradient color after some more cliches, because then I can like match the colors to whatever this new fake business is going to be.
Another logo cliche is houses.
So the next cliche is houses, like having a house icon or something like that. I personally actually don't mind that, because I think it quickly describes the business. But you know what? We gotta have a house icon. Okay, yeah, the classic. That one's kind of cute. But we're going cliche, yes. You know what? I might just have, I'm sorry man, I might just have one of you. It needs to look cliche. I'd be really embarrassed if I liked the logo at the end of this. You need the door, right? So this guy, he's kind of like walking away from the house. Yeah, cool.
The next one is trees. I see trees everywhere.
The next one is trees. We've got a person and a house and trees. Maybe this business is like a environmental eco houses, eco-friendly houses kind of thing. Tree icon or tree logo. That's pretty cliche. Yeah, that's cliche. I have a logo which looks very similar to this. I'm gonna go for a real simplified tree, I think. So like, I think I might just have one tree. What do trees look like? Now that's cliche.
Seen quite often as well is reflection.
Reflections. I'll do that last when I know what the business is called.
Arrows are annoying. You do not need to be pointing.
Arrows. I mean, this house is kind of an arrow. How about this? We have it behind. This is such an ugly logo. How about we have it behind? Whoops. And we show that the house price is going up. I don't know what this business will work with, but something about like, oh god, it's so ugly. Alright, the next thing.
Cogs, like mechanical cogs, gear cogs.
Alright, so the next thing is cogs. Could it be a company that engineers houses, you know what, just for the sake of wiki commons? Thank you. I can't bother making a cog right now, so I am going to take this one. However, it's from Wikipedia Commons, so we're all good. If you don't know about this image trace thing in Illustrator, I think I just saved you 20 hours per week. So subscribe, do that, please. Please. This is, that's horrendous.
I've got like a logo with an abbreviation, it's just a few letters. And you think that putting those letters inside of a box.
Okay, acronyms in boxes. We need acronym. What does he mean in boxes? I think I know what he means. Like A, B, C, and they all have like like this? Or does he mean like that when it's in one big box?
Stop doing swooshes.
Swooshes. It's the last thing. He hates swooshes. Oh, of course. The swoosh. Now we gotta wrap this all up in one big swoosh. Okay, I guess this one will also be green. How about we do like this? And then it wraps around like that. Yeah, now. We need it so cliche. What's the most cliche? Green and blue, I guess, yeah. Actually, I'm not going to steal their exact colors. So we'll go with, this should be even thicker, right? I also want to change the shape of that slightly. What's the most cliche blue? That? Yeah, that's looking pretty cliche. Alright, now I'm going to add I don't know what you call this. That's looking very good.
Only joking.
Some have shadows, but most are actually flat, so... Oh, that one has gradient. That one has gradient. Should these greens have a gradient? What's a really cliche? What's a common company? Well, you know what? Company logo. We've got the color scheme right here. Alright, so we've got this green gradient, the blue, and then the lighter blue, I think. Perfect. Alright, that's looking pretty cliche. Acronym, what are we going with? What is this company? It is... What does this describe? It's... engineering eco-friendly houses that go up in value, right? For people who live in houses. So it's eco-friendly engineering. No. Eco-friendly... No. Sustainable engineering properties. Buildings. Builders. Sustainable engineering builders. And then Helvetica, of course. Maybe he does mean all of these in a separate box. I would like to think this is the ugliest logo I've made, but I'm very aware it's not. This is looking perfect. 10 out of 10. We're just missing one thing. The reflection. I need to look up a tutorial on how to do reflections in Illustrator, because I have no reason why I would ever need to do that. You know what? We'll do this. Yes. Look at this. This is beautiful. We do that. And then all of these I'll create as outlines. Flip horizontal. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. I don't think it should take up that much space. You know what? I'll make it align with the bottom here. Like that. Ooh, that is beautiful. And there we have it. The world's most cliche logo. Sustainable engineering builders. Will Paterson, thank you for providing me with such insights to create such a beautiful logo. Paterson, Will Paterson. Will Paterson buy this logo for... That was stupid. Will Paterson, will you buy the logo for $5? US or Australian, I don't mind, hey. Or Bitcoin, 5 Bitcoin will do as well, please. Not only, so I've designed the world's most cliche logo, but I got paid doing so. Proving once and for all. I don't know what it proves. Here's an advert for Sustainable Engineering Builders. Here at SEB, Sustainable Engineering Builders, we pride ourselves on creating homes that are designed to be eco-friendly and future-proof, creating a safer world for our children and for the planet. Sustainable engineering builders, building a brighter future.